I would describe the gym as fun.
The atmosphere in here is really good. The people that come in here are really nice and friendly.
I've been coming here for about 5 years now and was so shocked that like a gym in a place like Chelmsford would almost have the equipment of something, say, in London, but the environment of like a local gym.
I'm Chris, I'm the Sports Facilities Manager here at the Old Factory Gym. We made some big changes based on member feedback that we've had over the last couple of years. When we were looking for a new equipment supplier to team up with, we're looking for a reputable brand that's got reliable customer service. Most of all, we wanted to work with a brand that would allow us to install really high quality, robust equipment for our members. Life Fitness ticked all the boxes for us, and the feedback's been really good from both new and existing members in terms of all of the equipment, the variety it offers, and the quality of the equipment as well. So we're really happy with it.
I'm Stella, and I'm the Gym and Sports Centre Manager here at the Old Factory. We really pride ourselves in looking after our members. We want to build a community feel so everybody feels like they're welcome. We were involved in the design heavily. We surveyed our members to see what sort of equipment they would like to see, what they would feel would benefit their training. So that's really led to very positive feedback because they've seen what they wanted on the gym floor. Life Fitness has worked hard to have a good reputation in training patterns and equipment. It's definitely an ongoing partnership as I see it.
My name's James, I am the Head of Sport here at the Old Factory Gym. Life Fitness have been brilliant in able to kind of help us restructure and replan the gym. We've really been able to expand and grow our free weights area, which has doubled in size. We've got an excellent new cardio section and functional area. So the layout and plan of the gym now is much more spacious. We're starting to grow our reputation now as offering a really premium offering with the Hammer Strength line, and the Life Fitness brand really helps us stand out against the local competition. And certainly the feedback we've had from members has been absolutely fantastic so far. We've seen that through the sort of growth in membership numbers since we've reopened with the new equipment. So yeah, we're really delighted.
So my name's Jordan, I'm a part-time fitness coach here. The gym flow's a lot better. Pin loading machines geared towards the beginners is more down near the reception area so they can ask questions, and a lot of the hammer strength stuff and the dumbbells is further into the gym and there's more variety for them to play around with.
Hi, I'm Mel. I'm a personal trainer and certified glute specialist here at Old Factory Gym. I work with a big range of clients, so all the machines we can move around to suit who they are, their shape, their size, things like that. So yeah, everything's really good to work with. I think in terms of the environment, everybody's really motivated here. The staff are friendly, it's a friendly environment. All the other gym members are really just easygoing. Everyone's just here to work hard. And obviously since the refurb, the equipment is probably the best in the area. It's given everyone who's a member here, especially ones that have been members for a long time, new lease of life, new focus on their goals. There's a hip thrust machine, like I say, which is probably one of the big appeals. Not many gyms in the area have that machine in particular. It's just a really good place to be and good place to train.
I am Coach Christian from Thrive Health and Fitness, work here out of the Old Factory. The new space is great. It's more open plan, which allows for a much more varied training approach with my clients. The selection of equipment, loads of different stations for the cables, which we use for the functional training, also the squat racks, and the environment's really nice. All the guys that train down here, there's a really good member feel to it. Everyone's very accommodating, very helpful, and just nice people.